Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Emma, the English podcast. Today's episode is going to be super interesting, a little fun, and very useful for your daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hey, everyone. And honestly, today's topic is something many learners feel confused about. But after this episode, it's going to feel very easy.
Exactly. But before we begin, one important thing.
Don't just listen. Speak with us. Repeat the sentences.
And imagine real-life situations. That's how your English becomes natural. And yes, if you enjoy learning like this,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we bring you real English, not boring grammar. All right, Emma, so what are we learning today?
Today, we are talking about something very powerful in English, how to connect ideas using words like either or, neither nor, both, to, and so.
Oh yes, I've seen these many times, but sometimes I get confused.
That's completely normal. Many learners understand the words, but don't know how to use them naturally.
So today, we're fixing that.
Yes, and we'll learn everything through conversation, not boring rules. Let's start simple. Imagine I ask you a question. Do you want tea or coffee?
I can say, I want tea or I want coffee.
Yes, but what if you want to say you are okay with both options?
Then I can say, I like both.
Exactly. That word both is very simple and very useful.
So both means two things together.
Yes. Let's try more. Do you like movies and music?
Yes, I like both movies and music.
Perfect. Very natural.
This one is easy.
Yes, but now let's make it a little more interesting. What if you don't want both? You want only one of the two.
Then I can choose one.
Yes, and now we use either or.
Oh, I've heard that before.
For example, you can say, I will drink either tea or coffee.
So that means I will choose one, but I don't mind which one.
Exactly.
Let me try. I will watch either a movie or a series tonight.
Perfect.
So it's like giving two options.
Yes, and choosing one.
Emma, this is actually very useful in real life.
Yes, we use it all the time.
Emma, what if I don't want both and I don't want either option?
Now we move to the next one. This is getting interesting. Now we use neither nor.
Okay, explain that.
If you don't want tea and you don't want coffee, you can say, I want neither tea nor coffee.
Oh, so it means not this and not that.
Exactly.
Let me try. I like neither spicy food nor sweet food.
Perfect. So now we have three situations.
Yes.
If I like both, I say both.
Correct.
If I choose one, I say either or.
Yes.
If I don't like both, I say neither nor.
Exactly. That's a very clear understanding. This is already making sense.
Good. Now let's move to something even more common in conversation.
What is it?
When you agree with someone.
Oh, like saying, me too.
Exactly. If I say, I like pizza, you can say, me too.
Yes, that's very common.
Or you can say, I like pizza too.
So both are correct?
Yes, both are correct.
What about so?
Good question. If I say, I like pizza, you can also say, so do I.
Oh, that sounds more advanced.
Yes, but very useful.
So to is simple and so do I is a bit more formal or structured.
Exactly.
Let me try. You say, I love traveling.
I love traveling too.
So do I.
Perfect.
This is fun.
Yes, because it's real conversation.
What if the sentence is negative?
Very good question. If I say, I don't like coffee, you cannot say, me too.
Then what do I say?
You say, me neither.
Oh, so that's like agreeing with a negative sentence.
Exactly.
Let me try. I don't like waking up early.
Me neither.
That feels very natural.
Yes, and we use it all the time.
I think learners will really enjoy this.
Yes, because they can use it immediately.
Let's create a small, fun conversation. Do you like watching movies or reading books?
I like both movies and books.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I will take either tea or coffee.
Do you like spicy food or sweet food?
I like neither spicy nor sweet food.
Perfect.
And now one more. I love traveling.
So do I.
I don't like waking up early.
Me neither.
That's a full, natural conversation.
And very easy to understand.
Exactly. All right. We talked about both, either or, and neither nor, and also how to agree using to, so, and me neither.
Yes, and honestly, that already made things much clearer for me.
Good, because now we are going to use all of them in real-life conversations.
That's the best way to learn.
Let's imagine a simple situation. You and I are planning dinner.
Okay, I'm already hungry.
So I ask you, do you want pizza or pasta?
I can say, I will eat either pizza or pasta.
Perfect. That means you're okay with both, but you will choose one.
Yes.
Now, what if you love both?
Then I say, I like both pizza and pasta.
Exactly.
And if I don't like both?
Then you say, I like neither pizza nor pasta.
That's very clear now.
Good. Now let's make it a little more realistic. You are talking to a friend. Do you want to watch a movie or go outside?
I can do either. I don't mind.
Perfect. That sounds very natural.
I noticed something.
What?
Sometimes we don't say the full sentence like either this or that. We just say either.
Very good observation. Yes, in real conversation, we often shorten it.
That makes it easier.
Exactly.
Can we use these in longer sentences?
Of course, that's what we're doing now. Tell me about your weekend plans.
This weekend, I will either stay at home and relax or go out with friends.
Perfect. That's a natural sentence. What about you? This weekend, I will do both. I will relax at home and also meet a friend.
Nice balance.
Yes.
I want to try something more interesting.
Okay.
Let's imagine a funny situation.
I'm right.
You go to a restaurant and the menu is confusing.
That happens a lot.
The waiter asks, do you want spicy food or sweet food?
And I say, honestly, I like neither spicy nor sweet food. Do you have something simple?
That's perfect.
And very real.
I think learners will enjoy these situations.
Yes, because they can imagine themselves in these situations.
Now let's talk more about to and so do I.
Yes, these are very important for conversation.
Because we agree with people all the time.
Exactly. If I say, I enjoy reading books, what will you say?
I enjoy reading books too.
Good. Now say it in another way.
So do I.
Perfect.
I want to ask something.
Go ahead.
When should I use to and when should I use so do I?
Good question. To is more simple and very common.
And so do I?
That sounds a bit more structured and natural in conversations, especially when you want to sound fluent.
So both are correct, just different styles. Let me try both. I like music too. So do I.
Perfect. What about negative sentences again?
Yes, let's practice that.
If I say, I don't like coffee, what will you say?
Me neither. Can I say, I don't like coffee too?
No, that sounds incorrect in this situation.
So for negative agreement, we use me neither.
Exactly.
I feel like now I can respond naturally in conversations.
Yes, and that's the goal.
Let's create a longer conversation.
Okay. Hey, Jack, do you like traveling or staying at home?
I like both. I enjoy traveling, but I also love relaxing at home.
Nice. Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I can go to either. I enjoy both places.
Interesting. I love beaches.
So do I.
I don't like very cold weather.
Me neither.
Perfect.
That feels like a real conversation.
Yes, and learners can use this immediately.
I think now we should challenge learners a bit more.
Yes, let's do that. All right, everyone, try answering these questions out loud. Do you like tea and coffee?
Do you prefer morning or night?
Do you enjoy watching movies or reading books?
Do you like spicy food or sweet food?
Answer using both, either or neither nor.
And then try agreeing using to, so, or me neither.
Don't think too much, just speak.
Even if it's not perfect, it's okay.
Because practice makes everything clear. Okay, I want to start with something simple but important. If someone asks you, do you want to improve your English by listening or by speaking? What will you say?
I will say, I want to improve my English by both listening and speaking.
Perfect. That's exactly how we use both.
Let me ask you something. If someone says, you can practice in the morning or at night, what would you say?
I would say, I can practice either in the morning or at night.
Nice. That sounds very natural.
Yes, because I'm choosing one option, but I'm open to both.
Now let me make it a little tricky. What if someone says, do you like grammar or vocabulary?
I would say I like both grammar and vocabulary. But if I didn't like either, I would say I like neither grammar nor vocabulary.
That's very clear.
Now let's make learners practice. All right, everyone, listen carefully and answer with us. Do you like tea and coffee?
Say, I like both tea and coffee. Or, I like neither tea nor coffee.
Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
Say, I prefer either studying alone or with friends. Or, I like both.
Do you enjoy watching movies or reading books?
Say, I enjoy both watching movies and reading books. Or, I enjoy neither watching movies nor reading books.
Good. Now we're not just listening, we're speaking.
I think repetition is helping a lot.
Yes, because the more you repeat, the more natural it becomes.
Let's now create a deeper conversation.
Yes, something more real.
Do you think success comes from talent or hard work?
I think success comes from both talent and hard work.
That's true. Can someone succeed with only one?
Maybe, but I think you need both.
I agree. I don't think success comes from luck alone.
Me neither.
That was powerful.
Yes, because now we're using English to express ideas.
Let's go deeper. Do you think people should follow passion or money?
I think they can choose either passion or money, but the best life comes when you find both.
That's a strong answer.
Yes, and it's very natural English.
Okay, I want to ask something personal.
Go ahead.
Do you like working in the morning or at night?
Honestly, I like both. Sometimes I feel productive in the morning and sometimes at night.
I don't like working late at night.
Me neither.
This is exactly how real conversations sound.
Yes, and learners need to speak like this.
I think we should now challenge them again.
Yes, a stronger challenge. All right, everyone, now answer these questions in full sentences. Do you like studying English or watching English content?
Answer using both either or neither nor.
Do you prefer speaking or listening?
Try to use both or either or.
Do you enjoy grammar or vocabulary?
Try to use neither nor if you don't like them.
Now one more step. Agree with these sentences. I love learning English.
Say, me too, or so do I.
I don't like feeling nervous while speaking.
Say, me neither.
Good. That's real practice.
I feel like learners are now much more confident.
Yes, because now they can respond naturally.
Let's give one final long conversation.
Yes, something they can copy.
Hey, do you think learning English should be serious or fun?
I think it should be both serious and fun.
I agree. Do you think people should learn alone or with others?
They can choose either learning alone or with others.
I don't like learning alone.
Me neither. I enjoy speaking practice.
So do I.
That's why this podcast helps a lot.
Yes, because it gives both learning and practice. That felt complete.
Yes, and that's the goal.
I want to say something important before we end.
Go ahead.
You don't need perfect grammar to speak English. You need simple tools like these.
Exactly. Words like both, either, neither, to, and so make your English natural.
I think this episode is very practical.
Yes, because learners can use it today.
Let's give one final message. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple sentences.
Use what you know. Practice every day, and slowly,
You will improve. All right, everyone. Before we end, if you enjoyed this episode,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
because we are here to help you grow. And you've been listening to Talk Emma, the English podcast.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and never give up. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.